Number 5. Castor and Pollux Organix dog food. Grain-free organic chicken and sweet potato recipe, grain-free dry dog food. USDA organic certified chicken dog food that contains no artificial preservatives, flavors or colors. Organic dog food made without grains, corn, wheat or soy. Number 4. Dr. Harvey's Canine Health Miracle Dog Food. Human-grade dehydrated base mix. For dogs with organic, whole grains and vegetables. Canine nutrition, you can see and smell. Canine Health is a base mix used to effortlessly create balanced, homemade meals for your dog. Known to improve your dog's kidney health. Human-grade dog food packed with real food including 9 dehydrated vegetables, crushed eggshells, and 6 organic grains. Without preservatives, dyes, chemicals, and fillers. Number 3. Tender and true organic dog food. Starting with organic, humanely raised chicken as the best ingredient. These recipes are made with a precise blend of organic ingredients, antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals expressly blended for optimal nutrition. No corn, wheat or soy is added to these recipes. Additionally, no artificial preservatives, colors or flavors are included in this premium pet food. Number 2. Health Extension Little Bites dog food. Holistic chicken dry dog food for small breeds. Little Bites dry dog food is formulated to meet the specific needs of teacup toy and miniature breed dog with a holistic approach. Made with antioxidants and organic chicken, will benefit both puppies and adult dogs alike. Features sure to bring out the big hunger in small breed dog, and it's hypoallergenic and anti-hypoglycemic. Number 1. The Honest Kitchen dog food. Human-grade dehydrated organic, grain beef dog food. Organic whole grain, The Honest Kitchen whole grain beef dog food is dog food made with free-range chicken and dehydrated for maximum nutrition for adult and less active senior. Low calorie, low protein and low fat, perfect for adult and senior dogs maintaining their doggy figures.